Hey guys, so I've decided to do freestyles out in nature just so you can get to know me a little better. Right now I'm out at the beach. As you can see, the beautiful ocean. I love coming here when I'm feeling a bit stressed out and I have a lot on my mind. I like to come here and just, relax, meditate a little bit and, clear my mind. With that said, I've been thinking about, the beauty of women and, that it doesn't matter how you look, whether you're tall, short, fat, skinny, you know, we are all beautiful in our own way. And this is a reminder not to ever let anyone bring you down just because you look different than them. Oh, baby, it doesn't matter if you're tall, short, or small, baby. Don't let them change the way you feel with the judgment. I just wanted you to know that there's so much more to life than the way that you look on the outside. Because what truly matters is the size of your heart and the love that you carry. Don't let them take away your truth. 'Cause baby, I love you. Just accept yourself. I promise you everything will be well, be well. 'Cause you are so beautiful. If only you could see what I see, then maybe you would know your truth.